this is Dr. Kiranmayi. Did my post-graduation from obstetrics and gynecology and finished my 1-year senior residency, after which I joined Basic Infertility Course from Milann Academy in Bangalore, where in this course they have focused equally both on theory as well as the practical aspects, covering all induction drugs, the different types of drugs, how they are used, their protocols, and the follicular monitoring scans, and also going through the OPD cards and how each patient is treated differently, individualizing the treatment, focusing both on the theory as well as the practical. So this course helped me a lot, as I didn't had a basic idea of infertility in my post-graduation. So this will be very helpful for any clinical practitioners who wanted to practice infertility and who doesn't want to go into IVF but wanted to have a basic idea and treat patients with ovulation induction drugs and gonadotropins. Thank you.